Today we are making a pyramid.
A pyramid. Okay, go na.
And sing.
Yeah.
Sing.
Go na doon. Wait na.
Use matagal. Different blocks. Pyramid yellow. It's a water. I need brown. Okay. Tapi na may silap ng mami. Hello.
Oh, hello daw. I-video mo si brother.
Alam, bibil kami pyramid.
Ilagay na lang dito. Oh, dito na lang. Gawa na kayo. Na-build na kayo. Kita naman kayo. Sige, quit na kayo.
Hello guys, you're making a pyramid. What?
Ano ba bibuild nyo?
Pyramid! Pwede different blocks ako. Yung kaya na build ko. Hindi mo alam. Bakit? Ano the big pyramid ever seen? Yes! Hindi mas pangit ha? Okay. Hindi natin dito. Mommy, you're making a billion. You're making a shadow? A billion.
Mga mali ata itong desisyon ko ha.
Shadow?
Done na?
Make a shadow.
Done na? Hindi naman kayo nagbibuild?
Nagbibuild kami, pero hard yun.
Hard ba?
Big.
Ano?
Big pyramid.
Big pyramid? Asan? Asan na?
Dito, pero matagal.
Bakit yellow?
Yellow yung pyramid sa desert. Eh, may shadow siya.
May shadow?
Opo. Na-make namin. I'm making a grass, guys. Pyramid. Wait. No, not the one. The pyramid. It is some grass. Here. Oh, you're making a secret pyramid.
Secret pyramid?
Guy house. Yes. Nita Nigay house. Secret pyramid is very hard to build a tractor.
Ba't green naman yan sa'yo?
No, this is a glass pyramid. Here's some grass. There's a wall. There, we did the grass. Come on. Build it here. Build the grass here. Build. Daddy. So that's Mark. That's me. There you go. Need a bigger now.
Tanggal niyo yung libro kasi.
There we need four. Dad. If it does a snowman. Wait, what's the function? I need some lava right now. There's some lava. I need some blue bed and a red bed. The white bed. Look at this. The white bed. Ah! Tumpa! So...
So I can be at my 100% on and off the court. My daily vitamins.
Ganda ba?
Hindi pa, marami pa. Look!
Ubusin ba yung block?
Ubusin yung blocks.
O, explain mo yung kwan mo, yung pyramid mo. Explain mo sa akin.
Explain!
Ituro mo dun, ah.
Ito, ah.
Ah,
This is a pyramid.
okay.
The pyramid is so big. It's a bahay.
Ano name ng pyramid nyo?
I don't know. Sambayan. Sambayan daw.
Sambayan, okay.
Eid. We have a window. What's this? This one is the Eid. Eid. Need.
Video mo yung pyramid mo.
Need.
Tama. Lapit ka. Ipakilala mo yung mga brother mo.
Sino ka, Leo?
Ipakita mo pa, ah.
Si Leo. Si Leo. Sino yan? Ala, yung mukha mo. Ako si Jan. There's more. Rob? Thank you. You're welcome. Be kind. Para may bili yung Up na or hindi? Hindi pa. Uubusin yung blocks, ha? May tray. Nagmamay kami.
Kasi niya, i-upload ko na para makita niyo sarili.
Ano, uubusin yung blocks. There you go. And then, there's the set.
Una, hindi ka naman dadalaw sila nandun ka.
Oh, there you go.
Ano naman ginawa ni Bulinggit dyan? Ala naman ata. Anong ginawa ni Rachel? Hindi naman may kukumpukon mo. Doon lang ba dyan YouTube channel ko lalagyan ko lang ng playlist. Para mo may manonood.
Nakapalaki ko. Yan napalaki ko, oh. Meron pa dito. No, baby, like that. No, that one is from a building. You destroy it. Why did I like that? It fell. Nah. Need to get. Tada. Nalulin ko? Yeah!
Dan na?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
Dan na ata.
Hindi pa. Wala ka ako. Siya! Ito yung building. No! Hindi pa. Hindi pa tapos, sir. Hindi pa tapos. Okay? Hindi tapos. Hindi pa tapos, ha?
Dan na?
Hindi pa nga eh.
Ano pa gagawin nyo?
Oh, kadaming blocks. Inilagay
Ilalagay nyo dun sa pyramid.
Ganyan kasi magnet yan. Yan po. Woo! It's getting destroyed! Besides!
Done na?
Hindi pa.
Ano
But
meron?
this is on our YouTube, not our YouTube Kids.
YouTube yan.
Okay? YouTube Kids.
Hindi. Next. Okay, pakilala nyo na ang inyong pyramid. Ano yung pyramid nyo?
Hindi tapos pa yung pyramid.
Hindi pa tapos.
Matagal yan eh!
Matagal.
Kasi sa YouTube to, okay? I-upload pa sa YouTube Kids, okay?
Okay.
I-upload mo na pag gusto mo.
Oh, done na? I-upload ko na.
Hindi pa.
Oh.
Gusto ko na eh!
Para tingnan natin. Okay.